Anong kwento?
Ikaw na, ako lagi nagkukwento No, actually kasi, we were in senior high school pa. And he was too shy to approach me. Kaya gumawa siya ng dummy account. Yeah, para i-chat ako. Then, ayun, I had a feeling na siya kasi nag-chat sa akin. And ayun, the rest is history.
Siyempre yung looks. Yun na naman yung una nakikita eh. So, yun talaga. And siyempre yung ugali din niya.
Ikaw naman, what you like most about him?
Humor niya, actually. And syempre...
Human lang yung looks?
Ito. Teka lang, di pa kasi ako tapos. Sinuunahan mo ako eh.
Siguro nung yung pandemic na lang, yung mga parking date lang.
Yeah.
Yung mga pandemic. Na-survive namin.
Very, kasi, unique yung dates natin that time. Pero honestly, yung lahat ng dates namin is very memorable. Siguro, dream destination kasi namin Barcelona. So, hopefully, makapag-dinner kami doon.